Here we go again. The blizzard kicking in again. When will it end? We'll never know. It is so crazy. As for that guy over there, that's supposed to be a snow plow. Let me zoom in, zoom in. Yeah, that's supposed to be a snow plow, and unfortunately, he's stuck. I don't know where his snowplow buddy's at, but they're nowhere around. But I feel bad for that guy. Hopefully, somebody that just happen to have a shovel will help this guy out. Anyway, Chrissy Blends out, Krista Bain out. Keep you posted. Listen, Linda. Anyway, Blizzard 2016. Toodles. When it'll end, I don't know. Bye.